1978 Jeep CJ-5 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 304 AMC V8 underneath the hood. It's paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission. This is a steel body with the exception of these fender flares. They would be composite, front and rear that is. All right, let's take a look at the front end. If you want to see the still pictures on this, you'll be able to see it from every angle. Undersides, interior, engine bay. And those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. See the locking hubs up front, riding on the chrome wheels. Plenty of tread left on those BF Goodriches. And then you did see where I pointed out a couple touch-ups on that fender flare. Obviously bright yellow paint, saddle interior. We're going to get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. A little paint discoloration right there also. Note says it does come with the bimini top. I don't see it in the vehicle, but the notes have it coming with that. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There's also an armrest that can be installed in it in the camel color also. I'll put that back in it. Coming around to the rear of the vehicle. Of course, the back seat. Padded roll bar to match the interior. And once again, all those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. This does have a Holley 4-barrel on it. Header gasket's been replaced. New carb kit. Brakes straight. Brakes are 90% in the front, 90% in the rear. Tech did mention the gas gauge was in op as well as the stereo, and a little bit of valve cover seat. If you like these Jeeps, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. A few touch-up spots, a few imperfections here or there. Kind of point them out, and you'll be able to see those in the still pictures too. Tilt column. Manual transfer case, as you can see, with a little smiley happy face there. And that manual transmission. All right, tell you what, I'm going to get into this Jeep a second. It's easier with two hands than it is one, so I'm going to put this on pause. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. All right, let's fire this up. Out of that 304. All right, voltmeter working. Oil pressure gauge up. This was the stereo I mentioned in off. I had not got it to fire up either, but it does have a stereo. It needs a little attention. Speedometer. Give me a good look at the seats. No rip stairs holes. Those side exiting exhaust right here. Let me pause this a second so I can get the hood open. And check out that engine bay, and then stick around to the very end of this video. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road also. All right, hood propped open, and engine bay. So it looks like we have HCI ignition power steering. Battery disconnect when it's in storage in between drives. Looks like aluminum radiator, some chrome valve covers. Running pretty smooth. See that Holley 4-barrel on there. Does have a new carb kit in it. FYI, prop rod stays with me here on the picture pad in case I need it again. 1978 Jeep CJ-5 4x4. Call us 507-386-1726. Yes, body is all steel with the exception of those fender flares. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1978 Jeep CJ-5. As you can see, no doors, no windows. It's an open Jeep, and you're strapped to the roll bar right now. It's a little bit different angle. This is a fun Jeep. 3-speed manual on the floor. We've got almost 14 volts on the amp meter, oil pressure. When you're running it, right now we're down lower, but when you're running it, it's around 20 to 30. That's looking good. Temperature gauge almost in the middle. Fuel gauge is showing empty. I'm not sure if that one's working. Check our retail report for that detail. Well, we got that out of the way. Let's go down the road a little bit. Nice throaty exhaust. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota. Hope you watch our vehicles. And I'll break pretty much anything to do these videos for you. So, look at the driving video. A Jeep you could have fun with. Green holes are fully accessible.